looks amazing. In this model city, they have a temple and like a golden, and this side is like a whole a tall building. Oh my god! Let's look around. Okay, let's get closer to see. This inside. The Turkish is about 15 yuan. It's about $7. $7 the ticket, right? See inside. Someone drop the coins inside. Oh my god, she feel. What's that mean? It means that the Chinese persons think if you throw inside, you will get rich. So, oh, again. Okay. But where they get the coin? Oh. If you are here, you can came to see. You can see the golden line. Okay, my guys. Another side, you can see this tower. That's the this have been touched to the Chinese people like to reach this and feel like they will get rich. So you can see it helping like a sliver. In this place, you will feel peaceful. I mean, it's Shanghai is the really modern city, but in the center of the city, they have a temple, and you can see this. You can feel that. In the city, you also can feel the peaceful. You can see the sounds. They can hear the sounds. Sorry, my bad. And the feeling about the Shanghai and the Jing'an Temple. Seems this game is very interesting, very popular, and no one stopped it, so they should allow them to doing it every day. Maybe they can earn a lot. Maybe in the night they will fetch the coins. It's really money. A lot of foreigners came here. It's a very famous place in Shanghai to visit. If you want to visit, I will draw the Google map in our video below. The ticket is very cheap. It's about $7, and you can feel in the China traditional culture about the 佛教. Okay. You can feel in the